We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling.
Yeah.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and them. Ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message.
Audi finally has a successor to the R8, but it's nothing like what most people expected. Instead of creating a direct evolution of its iconic V10-powered supercar, Audi has taken a far more radical approach. The result is a new machine called the Nuvolari, an ultra-exclusive hypercar producing more than 1,000 horsepower, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.6 seconds and reaching a top speed of 217 miles per hour. What stands out most, however, is not its performance, but its design. From certain angles, the silhouette still hints at the original R8, yet the bodywork is much sharper and more futuristic. The profile feels like a modern digital reinterpretation of Audi's legendary supercar, while the front end features an unusually upright grille that immediately sets it apart from most low-slung performance cars. According to Audi, the design draws inspiration from the legendary Silver Arrows race cars of the 1930s. The name Nuvolari itself pays tribute to Tazio Nuvolari, the famous Italian racing driver who competed in one of those historic machines. Even so, many of the car's details seem to owe just as much to Lamborghini as they do to Audi's own heritage. That connection is no coincidence. Beneath its carbon fiber body, the Nuvolari shares its foundations with the Lamborghini Temerario. The naturally aspirated V10 that defined the R8 for years has been replaced by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 paired with a hybrid system. The setup closely mirrors the Temerario, including 3 electric motors and a battery pack mounted behind the cabin. Despite the shared architecture, Audi has done more than simply repackage Lamborghini technology. Engineers have increased the combined system output to approximately 1,001 horsepower, significantly more than the Temerario's 920 horsepower. That extra power makes the Nuvolari one of the most powerful road cars Audi has ever produced. The performance figures are equally impressive. The new model is considerably quicker than the final R8 performance and even edges out the Temerario in straight-line acceleration. On paper, it has the potential to become the fastest production Audi ever built. Exclusivity is another major part of the Nuvolari appeal. Audi plans to produce only 499 examples worldwide, making it rarer than many modern supercars and hypercars. Naturally, that rarity comes at a price. The Nuvolari is expected to cost around £500,000, making it by far the most expensive Audi ever offered to customers. So, what exactly makes this car special? To answer that question, let's hear directly from Reuven Moore, Audi AG board member and the company's chief technical officer.
Our world premiere, the Predictive Intelligent Quattro, is enabling the specific quattro feeling on one hand, combining with the maximum agility on different surfaces. So you have even an adjustable traction control that a driver can choose which traction level he wants. And this is adapting perfectly in a very intelligent and predictive way to your driving style. So the car is supporting you to be a better driver, a more stable, but also to have more fun during driving. The Nuvolari lightweight construction approach was one of the key fundamental principles that we took into consideration already from the beginning. First of all, lightweight is always a key KPI for a sports car. For the performance, you feel it longitudinal-wise, but also lateral-wise. Secondly, the material combination is one characteristic of Audi of the past. It's one of our DNA pillars. We invented the aluminum space frame, the ASF, in the 90s, and now we combine the ASF, the aluminum body structure, with a full carbon fiber exterior skin. In the Audi Nuvolari, we find several motorsport-inspired technology. For instance, we have a CCMR carbon ceramic brake system, we have a central lock wheel, we have specific performance tires. We have an S-duct on the front axle for the aerodynamics to enable downforce on the front, and we have a fully adjustable and active aerodynamic on the rear, including a DRS button that the driver can push on the steering wheel like in the Formula One car. In the Audi Nuvolari, the adaptive energy management is one of the key principles of the drivetrain. So based on the combination of a combustion engine with 3 electric motors, we have several opportunities for boosting, so enabling the performance, the torque vectoring with three independent electric motors, 2 axial flux machines on the front, enabling torque vectoring, agilization, stabilization, and we have recuperation opportunities. And this combination makes the car, on one hand, super performance oriented, but also super efficient and a lot of fun.
So what are the expectations for the Nuvolari?
In terms of Vorsprung durch Technik, this vehicle demonstrates for Audi the entrance in the high-performance segment. And we are really aiming for positioning the Audi brand as the most desirable premium automotive brand, and this car helps us moving in this direction. Pre-orders for the Nuvolari starting in Q4 2026, and we already in initial customer discussions, and everybody who has an interest in a vehicle can already start registering their interest right now.
The future of Audi may look very different, but the passion for great cars remains the same. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay fast, stay curious.
Moving,
We keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it